This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Chef Greg with recteq, and today I'm going to show you how you can take a boneless turkey breast and really just elevate your game around the holidays. Maybe your family does not like the leg and thigh or the dark meat. There's no sense in cooking a whole bird. I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and roll this up with some delicious cornbread dressing, wrap it up, and make a delicious smoked turkey roulade. Here in front of me, we've got a fantastic honeysuckle white boneless breast. Now, it does have the skin on the top, but we're not going to use that for today's recipe, so we're just going to go ahead and remove it, because again, we're going to wrap this in bacon, and then because we're doing that, it's not going to have an opportunity to render and get crispy, so we're just going to go ahead and cut that away. But you can see this is a delicious turkey breast, and what we're going to do is we're going to kind of come in from the wingtip side, and we're just going to butterfly this, okay, and we're just going to open it up, make a nice cavity for all of that delicious cornbread stuffing. Now, so we don't make a mess, we're going to pound this out. Put a piece of plastic wrap over the top. I'm going to use the flat side of the meat mallet. We've got that pounded out nice and even. We're going to go ahead and grab that Colden's Freakin Greek. We're going to start to layer some delicious flavor on this honeysuckle white turkey breast. And then we've got some cornbread dressing. This is a delicious recipe you can find at recteq.com. And we're just going to kind of sprinkle a nice even layer of this delicious smoked cornbread dressing on the top. And we're going to leave about 1/3 of the turkey up top with nothing on it. And that way, when we roll this up, it's got a nice layer of turkey on the outside. Looking good, smelling good. Kind of give it a smush down. What we're going to do is we're going to take that plastic wrap and roll this turkey up nice and tight, just like that. You can kind of twist the ends a little bit. But there you go. We've got that delicious cornbread stuffed turkey breast. But I told you we were going to wrap that in bacon, right? I did. Let me go get the bacon. You don't keep bacon weave in the fridge just in case you need a bacon weave? All right, if you guys want to see how to make a delicious bacon weave, go ahead and make sure you like and subscribe our recteq's YouTube channel for recipes on how to do a bacon weave. When you're using a bacon weave, make sure you guys use a commodity or a thinner slice of the bacon. That'll definitely help you getting it nice and rendered and crispy and delicious. But we've got that bacon weave down, and we're just going to go ahead and take this delicious turkey roulade. And again, you can use that plastic wrap. Basically just squeeze that turkey out and then just grab that plastic wrap and you're just going to roll it up nice and tight, super easy, just like that. You can take the sides, tuck the sides over, but there you have it, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put a little more of that Colden's Freakin Greek on the top. And this is going to cook on the RT700 at 350 degrees until we probe internal temp of right about 165 degrees. We're going to be burning those delicious Kingsford maple pellets. We're talking all that fruity, strong, sweet flavor from those pellets. It's going to be delicious. All right, everybody, this delicious bacon-wrapped cornbread stuffed turkey roulade is finished. It looks and smells amazing. Before you slice into this, make sure you got a good sharp knife. You definitely don't want to ruin all that work you did with the bacon weave and rolling that turkey breast up nice and tight. But again, to recap, we cooked this on the RT700. It took right about 90 minutes. We were burning those delicious Kingsford maple pellets. Great color, great sweetness from those pellets. But let's go ahead and get it sliced up. You guys can see that delicious pinwheel with the turkey and the cornbread. You notice that nice little pinking of the meat there. I'm telling you, this bacon-wrapped cornbread stuffed turkey breast is an absolute top-notch recipe. Make sure you guys try it for Thanksgiving. Have a happy holidays. Make sure you subscribe to recteq and Kingsford YouTube channel for more amazing recipes. We'll see you at the recteq.